So now we are going to transfer the operating system Windows from HDD to SSD. So we are going to, so it will be, so it will boot faster. Always get your laptop with an SSD. So again, here the operating system, the Windows is here. Okay. I think I should do a boot up example on how what it's like to open an HDD. So let's do that for now. So let us try what it's like to open an HDD. So fortunately this is faster than the average HDD. So I'm going to press the power button now. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, it is a little faster than the average HDD. From my experience, some HDD takes about um 2 minutes, but we open it in less than in a minute. So it is. So again, we are going to transfer the operating system HDD to SSD, so it will boot fast here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download um, mini tool partition. So there are a lot of application that does this, but I've this is the one I choose, mini tool partition wizard 10. So the 10, not the newer version. So here, so you exit the once it gets you to the website and encourage you to buy. All you have to do is exit that and open the application. So here is the application. So and then I'm going to click disk 1, where the original operating system is, and here it is, migrate OS to SSD HD, and click this. I would like to play, so I will choose A and press next. So we are going to apply it now, and it is now copying from HDD to SSD. So it will take time. I pause the video because it takes time. It's about 15 to 20 minutes now, so expect at least 30 minutes, more than an hour if you have large files. So it is done. One thing you need to expect when doing the migration or transferring your files from HDD to SSD is it will take a lot of time. So you need to be patient and do something else. I think it is about 40 to 50 minutes, give or take. So let's open it up. Now let us see um, if our operating system is at the SSD now. And yep, I think this here at local disk F. So this is where the operating system is, and this is where the OS is. So I was not expecting the local disk D. I'm not expecting this, and I don't know what that 300 what that files are in here. But anyway, the operating system is already in here. So let us see and test if it will boot faster. So I'm going to shut it down. So let us open it again. I'm going to press the power button, and 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So finally it boots up fast. So that is less than 30 seconds. Before, when we only had HDD, it boots up almost a minute and more than a minute. So let us see. What we are going to do next, we are going to label them properly. So we are going to label them properly, and we are going to clean this up. So we are going to wipe disk. So there you have it, from HDD to SSD, so the laptop will boot fast. And that's it. Until the next time.